Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Pad X8a, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with a welcoming screen where you get to select your desired language from the list. Once you have chosen one, click on Get Started and choose your region, which you probably might be best off choosing any kind of European region, as any kind of anti-corporation laws that are more consumer friendly are usually passed in the European Union, forcing the companies to basically follow them if they want to do business in EU. So you might benefit from that. Anyway, next we have terms of use. So just select that you have agreed and read them. You can also tap on details to read exactly what you're agreeing to. But moving on to the next page, we can now connect to Wi-Fi network, and this step is optional, so I'm going to be skipping it. Here we have Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now you can turn all of those off, but let's be honest, it's from Google. I highly doubt these do turn off anything. It's not like Google is such a trustworthy company, otherwise corporations wouldn't be in class action lawsuits for spying on us. So yeah, you can turn that off, but it's just for your visual pleasure. And I highly doubt Google cares about you not wanting them to gather diagnostic data on you. Anyway, next we have data and privacy. Hilarious coming from HONOR, aka Huawei. But in any case, let's go to the next page. Device protection. So we have the password, which will consist of PIN pattern or password under unlocking method. Or what was the other one? Face recognition. Now you can choose face recognition, but for that you will also need to have PIN pattern or password. But for physical way unlocking like PIN pattern password, you don't need face recognition, or you can just skip it altogether. Next we have enhanced services. You can read exactly what this is and see if you will like it. Next we have user experience improvement programs, so just more data gathering crap. Location services. Keep software up to date. This is just a update overnight kind of thing. You can select it so the device doesn't look for updates by choosing update manually and don't enable. Next we have system navigation, and we have gestures and 3-button navigation. I'm gonna stick with the gestures, so you can select finish, and this should take us to the home screen. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.